In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give trials to people using GoHighLevel. This process will help you effectively offer trial periods to potential clients, making it easier for them to experience your product or service before committing to a full purchase. So, let's dive into how you can set this up seamlessly. To begin, you will first need to create a funnel checkout page. Start by navigating to the site section in your GoHighLevel account. Once there, select Funnels and click on Plus New Funnel. This is where you'll create the foundation for offering a trial through a checkout page. Within this new funnel, add a checkout page. This page is vital as it serves as the initial point of interaction where users choose to start their trial. Now, it's important to connect this page to your Stripe product. The Stripe product should already be set up to include a trial period. This connection ensures that the trial offer is processed correctly when users sign up. On your checkout page, make sure to include compelling text like start your 7-day free trial to grab attention and encourage signups. Next, we move on to automating access, which is crucial for a smooth user experience. Head over to the Automations tab and select Workflows. Once there, you'll want to establish a few key automations. Start by setting up a trigger. Choose either payment successful or form submitted as the trigger condition so that the workflow knows when to initiate. Following this, you'll need an action step. This action will be to add the user to your membership or to grant them access to the product or service. This ensures that as soon as they're set up, they have immediate access to what they're trialing. Then incorporate a wait step of 7 days. This corresponds with the duration of the trial period, allowing you to automate what happens when the trial ends. After the wait period, you should add another action to send a renewal reminder or, if they haven't upgraded, to remove access. This is a crucial step in converting trial users into paying customers or managing access if they choose not to continue. Finally, let's focus on tracking your trial users. This is where custom fields or tags come into play. Set up tags such as on trial, converted to paid, or trial expired. These tags are immensely helpful for categorizing your users based on their journey through your trial process. With these tags in place, you can trigger additional automations later, making your follow-up process tailored and efficient. And there you have it, an easy-to-follow guide on how to give trials to people using GoHighLevel. By implementing these steps, you can offer potential customers the chance to explore your product or service with minimal friction, improving their likelihood of converting to a paid service in the long run.